Good Monday morning to everybody today. Thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about a couple things that changed over the Friday, Saturday, Sunday about the PRObuilt chassis raffle now. So let's get right into it. Talk to our attorneys. Come to find out that we need to change the terms from lottery to raffle. I guess since I don't have a casino, I can't have a lottery or have a license, whatnot. So we're changing it to a raffle. Nothing else really changed except that single term in all of our, promotional material, our terms and conditions, our website, everything else. So that's the only thing that's changed. So it's the Airkewld LLC PRObuilt chassis raffle. Let's get into the terms and conditions and kind of give you an idea of how to play, who can play, who can't, that kind of thing. So we'll get into it. So how can everybody play? The tickets can be purchased online by wire transfer or mailing a check to our address in care of the PRObuilt chassis raffle. We're not doing this over the phone. We're not doing this if you come in the shop. This is an online only deal unless you do it by wire transfer or check. It reduces the amount of paperwork because we're talking about $5, $10 deals. My phones would be loaded, so we're only doing it that way. The last day to purchase tickets will be December 20th, 2019 at 12 noon Mountain Standard Time. Entrants will be notified by email of their ticket numbers. So what we decided to do is after you purchase them, we put your ticket numbers in the notes section. We email you a copy of that. Then we save a copy for our records, and then we mark the order complete. Doesn't necessarily mean that we're shipping anything to you, just means that the order's complete. You have your numbers. I did have a question the other day in regards to if there's a dash between two numbers, that means it's through. So like if it's 16 through 25, then it's 16, 17, 18 through 25. Just want to clear that up. There is no cap to the amount of tickets that can be purchased. If we sell 3 tickets, a winner will be selected. If we sell 10,000 tickets, a winner will be selected. This is this is not a U.S. only raffle. Anyone in the world can win, but must abide by these terms and conditions. And this jargon or this line of information is for people who are not able to pick up the chassis or pay for taxes on the chassis. This is something that we don't handle. This is up to you, but Airkewld isn't going to be liable for taxes or fees or any of that because it's a giveaway. You're paying, what you're paying for is the tickets, and if you win, you win. That's part of the deal. So we'll get into more of the logistics taxes here in a second. That's how you play. That's how you can play. And how to win, you must purchase a raffle ticket. And you don't need to be present to win. We decided to use a random number generator. And what it is if we start with number 6,322 and we go up to 61,222, we put those in the number generator, and it picks one up within a couple seconds, and we're going to film it, and then we're going to upload that so that for legitimacy. This isn't about us picking a winner. This is about it being random. That specific event will happen Christmas morning at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm really excited about that. It's going to be a cool little day. Who can't play or win? Airkewld, LLC, its family, employees, or sponsors are not eligible to win. That's it. None of us can win. Next line, liability. Airkewld, LLC, its staff, and sponsors are not liable in any way, shape, or form. Chassis, once won, is won as is. Airkewld, LLC, and its sponsors are not held liable for any mods needed to install the one chassis onto your new or existing project. We're building a 67 chassis. We really feel that this is going to be an amazing platform for your next project. If you're fortunate enough that it fits your current body, bitchin'. If it doesn't, or you need to make mods to fit your current body, that's on you. That's not on us. We're building this chassis as it is. Warranty. Airkewld LLC will honor warranties as depicted in its product line warranties, which means if we offer a warranty for brakes or front end or spindles or shocks or wheels, those kind of things, we're still going to honor those warranties as the date of purchase. Anything like a rubber seal or a pan half or something like that, obviously we can't warranty that, but our goal is to stand behind our product, and we'll do our best to make everything right. All right, so get it up here a little bit better. Taxes. Airkewld LLC is not responsible for taxes, duties, registrations, or insurance on the one chassis. A bill of sale in the amount of $9,999 will be provided to the winner of this raffle. So, this is a common question. We do a lot of business internationally, and a lot of times people ask for us to lower that denomination. We can't do that. But we are going to have a bill of sale for that $9,999. So in your country, or I'm not going to say state, but like say Puerto Rico or Virgin Islands, understand that if you're going to bring in this chassis, you will need a bill of sale, and more than likely you will have to pay taxes on it. It's kind of one of those things that happens. So do your due diligence on that. Understand that if you get like a $20,000, $10, whatever amount chassis, that you're like so far ahead that it's really like minimal in comparison. So just but think about that before purchasing tickets. Also, let's see, what is the winner actually winning? Airkewld LLC is raffling off a fully built 1967 Type 1 Beetle chassis with a clean title as depicted in the build sheet. We have linked the build sheet. We have linked the terms and condition in this video. Check it out down there in the comment section. Pictures shown in videos showcase the build detail and practice and do not depict the actual chassis being given away. You've known we built many chassis over the years, and we do them in various colors and various styles depending on what our clients are looking for. We're showcasing those in our freeze frames and whatnot, and as we get rolling here, you're going to see pictures of the chassis come together. You're going to get really excited. It's going to be fantastic. But what you see in past builds are showcasing the build quality, the detail. So keep that in mind. The chassis is not coming with a motor. It's coming transmission to front end, a roller, ready to go. Please check the build sheet for what comes in this raffle. All right, big thing here: logistics, shipping, and release. So the winner must handle their own logistics, which is shipping, by January 31st, 2020. Basically, that's like a little over a month to handle logistics. If you're a winner in the US, you need to either have it picked up within a month, or you need to have arrangements so somebody picks it up from us in a month. If the winner is not able to handle the logistics, they will need to sell it and have it picked up by that date. The winner must send Airkewld LLC a copy of the bill of sale before the chassis is released to the new owner. So we don't want to sit on this chassis for months. We want to. We're pretty sure this is going to be an amazing thing that we want to do it again next year. But to do that, we need to make sure that we don't have something taking up valuable space in our facility. So if you're not able to handle the shipping, which means if you're in England and you win, you need to have this in order. You know, once you get in the wind, like right after Christmas, you need to be on the horn getting this handled. That way it can be picked up and moving forward. If Airkewld LLC goes out of business during this raffle, not going to happen, but in the event it does, all raffle ticket purchasers will be refunded in full. Want to make sure that that's met. That was a concern on a forum, so I wanted to put it in there. Terms and condition updates. Airkewld LLC will email entrants any updates to terms and conditions should there be any updates. The last day to update terms and conditions will be November 28th, 2019. Lastly, we have an executive order rule. And I had to put this in there because there's always something that's going to happen, but I'll read it word for word. Airkewld LLC will do everything in its power to reach the winner from December 25th, 2019 to January 31st, 2020. This means, and not limited to, emails, phone calls, text messages, and letters. If for whatever reason the winner cannot be reached, Airkewld LLC will use the random number generator to pick a new number. That winner has 30 days to pick up or sell the following with the terms and conditions above. Airkewld LLC will continue the same practice until a winner has picked up the chassis or sold it, following the terms and conditions found here. Basically, we're just looping it until a winner is reached and that is handled. So I don't want to do that, but we have to put it in there. As of today, that's the terms and conditions. I don't think we're going to add anything else in there, but it could happen, and then we'll email anybody that's purchased a raffle ticket, and we'll also update it online, and we'll put the update date next to it so that if it's changed and you want to see what's new, you can. But that's our terms and condition for the raffle of the chassis. This week we're going to start showing some videos of the work that we're going to do to it, so we're excited to show that to you. We appreciate you subscribing to our channel and watching our videos. We look forward to wowing you. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.